guys, finally he sleeps here. We're working on the ZZ.Wraps Shop 350Z, a lot of Z's, and trying to get it finished for the show circuit this year. It's a shop car, so we're trying to put a little bit of the ZZ.Wraps spin on it, and one of the things that we have is the Nissan Z logos that are on the fenders for this car could be swapped out with the ZZ.Wraps logo. So today we're going to work on 3D printing new emblems for the car and setting them up. So the first step was to take the file that I have built for the shop logo and start manipulating it into just a round logo that we can extract, build in 3D, and then I'll take it to the shop and we'll use the 3D printer to mock up a UV resistant, outdoor safe plastic emblem, 2 of them, to use for the sides of the car. We'll add a little bit of camphor and some smoothed edges on this, and then it'll take a couple of hours to cut these. This is the final result of what these things look like, and the process here is just some light sanding, getting it ready to accept the paint, and we're just going to spray these with a silver that matches the cheetah wrap, the silver cheetah wrap that's on the car, because these are going to be on the fenders, which are more of, it's a pearl with gold metallic, so it's got kind of a tan look, and it's offsetting the silver metallic with the tan gold look so that it ties in the gold metal flake in the deep dish 3-piece wheels. So trying to bring all this together. So we're going to spray the whole thing silver to match the wrap, and then the meticulous process of hand painting these to get a gloss black enamel inside the logo. Instead of masking these off, we're just going to do them by hand. It's, a lot of money spent on college. Apparently taught me how to paint emblems with a tiny little paintbrush. So then once this is all done and we have the logos looking kind of the way we want, then we're going to spray them with some 1K clear. It's a high quality clear coat. For small stuff like this will work fine. You don't need any 2K. We'll just do 1K. A few coats, some light sanding in between, just to get a real nice gloss finish on these. It's going to be a little different than the matte finish on the stock emblems, but what we're doing here, this is just a small detail we want to really stand out on the car when it's in the shows, because it's the whole point of this thing is it's supposed to showcase the shop. So now that the clear coat is all done, it's just 3M body adhesive, just a double-sided strong tape. Stick it to the fender. Here's what they look like. Hope this turns out well. The 3M tape, these will hold on for quite a while. We shouldn't have any problems. This is a shop car, so it doesn't see a lot of road time. It's basically indoor a lot. A little bit of driving here and there, but mostly to and from the shows. So small details make a big difference. Just a fun shop update. Hope this helped. If it did, make sure you subscribe here on YouTube. Turn on notifications so you never miss when any of the videos go live for any of our small project cars, projects, show reviews, or tool reviews. Finally, he sleeps. As long as you guys keep showing up, I'll keep making videos.